Hello friends, welcome to Kids Worksheet. Today we will learn O sound words. Are you ready?
Yes. Let's start O sound words. C-O-T cot.
C-O-T cot.
D-O-T dot.
D-O-T dot.
H-O-T hot.
H-O-T hot.
P-O-T pot.
P-O-T pot.
D-O-G dog.
D-O-G dog.
J-O-G jog.
J-O-G jog.
L-O-G log.
L-O-G log.
F-O-G fog.
F-O-G fog.
M-O-P mop.
M-O-P mop.
T-O-P top.
T-O-P top.
P-O-P pop.
P-O-P pop.
B-O-X box.
B-O-X box.
F-O-X fox.
F-O-X fox.
P-O-X pox.
P-O-X box.
So children, I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe Kids Worksheet channel for more videos.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Keep on learning. Thank you.